center, you can get access to all these files. And once you hit the URL means just type the URL, enter it here. As you click on enter, it fetch the details from the server and show to you. Similarly, it happens with us. This compute engine, they help in executing the application on the server. Application means what kind of application? Web application, machine learning based project. Even, do you know, like in college that you are using attendance software might be, or nowadays online classes going on Zoom. You might be having Zoom, right? So have you seen that in Zoom there is an option of saving in a cloud storage? If you remember, or if you have, any one of you remember, in a Zoom.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. So you might have aware about it that Zoom में भी एक cloud storage होता है, and that when you click on that, so suppose in case you don't want to save in your local system, you wanted to save in the cloud, you can easily save it so that it will be safe there. Normally what happens when I take the session, I'm like, now I'm recording the session, this all file will going to save it in my D drive, right? And it will occupy the space. But what if I save it in the cloud? So it will not occupy any space in my memory, means my laptop, and I can download from the storage, upload it in a YouTube, and you can enjoy by watching the video. So there is no storage occupy in my system. So like this called compute engine. You can create instances also, and like this there are different options are there. We will going to see multiple project, machine learning based project we will do. So what are my agenda on this course is to teach you like just 1 minute. We will going to first see cloud computing basic, okay, and then we will going to see networking, how networking works in the industry. We will do some project based on machine learning and artificial intelligence. Now if any one of you are not interested in machine learning, then also fine, we will going to see project on other technologies. What are those? Web development and Python project. We will going to execute Java or Python based project, Java and Python based project, and web application, that is website. I will going to show you how you can run a website on a Google Cloud. Once your website is made, how you can deploy it on a cloud so that end user can see it. So website deployment we will going to see. So this all we will going to learn in our syllabus. With that, interview preparation will do that based on the requirement. So now you tell me, like, how many of you are interested in doing machine learning based project or Java, Python, or website or desktop application?
Java, sir.
Java, okay. What about others?
Java or Python, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we will going to see Java and Python project. And any one of you interested in AI, machine learning based project? So based on that, I will help you in doing project. How many of them is interested in doing this AI and machine learning based project? No one? Okay, then I will focus on this Java and Python based project and website development, website deployment, and desktop application. These three things I will explain you. So do you have any question on this? Then you can ask. Any one of you having any question on the cloud service? So as I said you, this is completely free basis, right? There are multiple clouds are there in the market, Amazon AWS, okay, and this GCP